Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on Made for You on your Amazon shopping. We will go to turn on this mark or know how you can do that on your account. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window. Then you just click here on settings and it's going to show for you window like this. And you click here on permissions, so you go to next window, just waiting to open with you this window here, and you go down, so you keep going here and you come here to Made for You. You just click here on this mark and you just waiting to turn on video, and like you see this color show for us, that's been Made for You on your Amazon shopping. It's turned on now, so that's all you have to do. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.